Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing red versus blue relaxing sounds. So let's get started. So what's gonna happen, I'm gonna spin this wheel, spin it right now, and whichever one it lands on, you know what, this does not look like it's spinning. Here, I'll make sure to check this out. But so it landed on blue. So what we're gonna do now, wait a minute, just give me a sec. Okay, I really gotta fix this. Cool beans. Give me a sec. Okay, how do I more? So since it's blue, I'm going to go to the blue wheel, which has 4 blue sounds on it, and I'm going to spin this wheel. And so the goal, why is it going so slow? Okay, so it's going to be the dinosaur. Oh, or is it going to be the book? Dinosaur or book? Book. It's going to be book. Why is this one also so slow? So since this one was book, I'm going to take the book out. And the goal is whichever wheel has no more sounds on it, that wheel wins. So let's do the dinosaur. Wait, no, the book. Here we go. This is called Impossible Creatures. IMPOSSIBLE. I can't spell, so I'm not going to do this last one. Okay, that was about 30 seconds. Now let's go to the next one. All right, I'm hoping this one goes quicker. Okay, I'm redoing that. That stunk. 10 seconds. Oh, it's the spin slowly thing. Here we go. Spin again. And it's going to be red. It's going to be red. All right. Red. So now we're going to the red tab. And let's see. We have the buttons, which is a new sound. Baseball cap, light, and scanner. Oh, is it going to be the button? Oh, no, it's going to be the scanner. It's going to be the scanner. You guys love the scanner. All right. Let's do scanner. I said let's do scanner. There we go. Ready? There we go. Alright, I'm really hoping we get to do that button sound. Oh, we might be able to because it's red again. Red only needs 2 more spins to win now. And let's see what it's going to be. Please be button. Please be. This feels rigged. Why is it so slow? Oh, it's going to be baseball cap. It's baseball cap. Go beans. Alright. Baseball cap it is. This also might be a new one. Okay, before you say it, no, I'm not really a Washington fan, but I have a big collection of these, and these are one of the only red ones. Oh my gosh, I need to use this more often. I have to use this more often. This is awesome. I thought this one would stink a lot. That was awesome. Let's go back to the wheel. Remember, red only needs 2 more spins to win. Oh, it's going to be blue. Now, blue only needs 2 more spins. The game is tied up. Let's go to this one. Is the dinosaur, Wally the Whale, or storytelling? Oh, it's going to be Wally the Whale, I think. Yeah, it's Wally the Whale. Cool. This is Wally. He's awesome sauce. So are you. Let's go. Here we go. And, oh, I think it might be red again. It's red. This game's going back and forth. Went blue, red, blue, red. Oh my gosh, red only needs one more to win. Like the entire thing. All right, let's see. Is it going to be the button or the light? I'm hoping it's the button. Please be button. Stop, stop, stop. Right now, stop it. Stop, stop moving, stop moving, stop moving. No, no, darn it, darn it, darn it. No. So there's a chance we might not get to the button, the new sound. Shoot. Well, I think I spelled button wrong. Yeah, I did. Wait, did I? No, I didn't. Okay. Well, let's go to the light. Look at it, look at it, look at the light, look at the light. Look at it, look at it. Look at the light. Look at it, look at it. Look at the light. Look at it. Look at it. Okay, I'm sorry I did that hurt your eyes. I'm actually very sorry about that. I'm genuinely very sorry that. Oh. Wait. Wait, is it? Am I? Okay, wait. Oh my gosh, that's cool. I'm sorry. Look at the light, look at the light, look at my finger. Look at how many fingers am I holding up? Look at the light, how many fingers am I holding up? All right, now follow the light and... Okay, this could be the last spin, and it is! Red is the winner! So now, red wins, and we can delete this one, we can delete that one, and I wonder what the last thing is gonna be. Oh no, oh my gosh, it's almost not gonna be button. It might not be button. Oh no, oh no, oh no, it's not gonna be button, it's not gonna be button. Oh my gosh, no way, it's gonna be button. It's gonna be button, it's button. Also, why is it still slow? It's button. Okay, so we can get rid of that. Oh, that's okay, go. Are you guys ready for a brand new sound? Button. This inside looks very glossy. Glossy, glossy, glossy. Button press. Ready? 3, 2. It's... Oh no, did I break it? I think I might have broken it. Don't worry, it's just a little crack. You can't even see it. Pretty good. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. Congratulations, Red. See you next time. Goodbye.